Did bring it back shop. Well, you guys clearly don't need it. We've got Kevin Felderhoff and your granddaughter Tatum, and you guys are wearing some of what you make. This is beautiful stuff. Tell us about it.
Well, thank you. Yeah, we're both wearing wood cowboy hats, and the hats actually start from a full log. These particular hats came down from a tree from Helene below our backyard. It's an ambrosia maple tree where the ambrosia beetle gets in there and causes the fungi and the streaks. So they're turned on a lathe, fully round, and then from there they go to a bender here, and as the sap migrates out of the tree and with the pressure applied, the hat slowly starts to take shape. And if you get lucky measuring someone's head, you can get it to fit.
How long does it take you to make one of these hats? It seems like a real labor of love almost.
Yeah, it is. It is. It takes quite a while to be able to turn long enough to be able to make a hat, and but about 2 weeks from start to finish. The hardest part is finding a full log. This log right here is what those hats came out of.
That's beautiful. Well, and this is those bark beetles that are destroying a lot of forests.
Well, the ambrosia beetle, they're in the maple trees, and they don't kill the tree, but they cause these beautiful streaks in the wood.
Is maple the only thing you use for these?
No, maple, walnut, cherry, maple, poplar. This hat is actually poplar.
That's poplar, and then you
I stained it black, dyed it black.
That looks beautiful.
That's spectacular.
Thank you.
Kevin, does Tatum know how to do this now? Is she learning?
Yeah, try it on.
No, not yet.
Tatum helps me in the shop quite a bit, and sanding
you're like sweeping up is what you're doing.
That looks more like a sombrero. Hey, do you make sombreros?
No. Hey, that looks good on you.
That looks really good on you.
How can people find you?
KLFwooddesigns.com.
KLFwooddesigns.com?
Yes, sir. And then here's the footballs. I'm registered with Texas A&M and Ohio State. There's 239 pieces.
And then how do you get the
Good stuff.
And you get the little stone in there?
Yeah, that is turquoise.